yes, and I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you took my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like
Greetings, YouTube. I like to back at you from right here at the Tifton Gardening Channel. Today is indeed Tuesday, April 28th, 2020. And in today's video, YouTube, we're going to take you guys back out to the Wildings Landing and show you guys exactly what's going on with our Celeste fig tree cutting that we were indeed able to successfully propagate during the fall and winter months here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. But before we take you out there, guys, I like to take this moment to show you guys exactly what Mrs. Lori looked like in our last video update. Take a look at this, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our Celeste fig tree, Mrs. Lori, is looking like right here, right now, April 28th, 2020, right here in our front yard garden extended grow area at the Green Thumbs Gardening Channel. Take a look at this, YouTube. Bam! Isn't she lovely, YouTube? Isn't Miss Lori lovely? Miss Lori currently stands over 18 inches tall. Again, it has been over 30 days since we brought you guys our last video update on Mrs. Lori. And we cannot possibly be more pleased by what we see in the growth rate that Mrs. Lori is exhibiting right here in our front yard garden extended grow area, Grow Zone 8B in Tifton, Georgia. Not only has she grown by leaps and bounds, YouTube, I want to show you guys something that's very exciting to us also. Take a look at this. That, YouTube, is not a new leaf sprouting from the base of Mrs. Lori. That, YouTube, is a new branch sprouting from the base of Mrs. Lori right here in our front yard garden extended grow area. And not only that, YouTube, not only that, take a look at this. Bam! That is indeed a new branch also that we discovered this morning when we came outside. That is a fig tree branch sprouting from beneath the soil around the base of Mrs. Lori. And that lets us know that Mrs. Lori's root system is well established in this soil. And again, YouTube, again, we could not possibly be more pleased by what we see here at the Wildings Landing in our Celeste fig tree, Mrs. Lori. Mrs. Lori, my dear friend, this one's for you. Thanks for watching, YouTube. And if indeed you currently are watching this video, you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure to share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, growing Celeste figs at the Wildings Landing. Our Celeste fig tree, Mrs. Lori. Thanks for watching.
Ain't out here yes, and I ain't got no beef, no enemies. Call all my haters motivators, cause they can't touch me. Been in this business for a minute, that's a long time. If you was looking for me, you can find me on my grind. I'm on a mission, no competition for this rap king. I bet you took my crown, it must have happened in your dreams. I'm about to make the world feel me like the last time. So make the microphone smoke when I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap scene. It was 2019 and I got the whole world listening. They gather around me to keep me warm from all the heat I bring. And I tell you, so why y'all haters out there hating me? Why y'all hating? 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 Instrumental remind me of Frankie Beverly and May. So I'm taking you back when rap was real in the old days. More than a man, I'm like a lion trying to expand. And the world's against me, so I came up with a different plan. No more 9 to 5 working for the other man. And don't trust the media, my destiny is in my hand. Done came a long way from where this lion first began. Won't let nobody make me hate the color of my skin. No matter where we're from, America is where we live. Ain't I here dissing others, but I'ma tell it like it is. Everybody say they praying for some better days, but this world will never change until we stop the hate. Why y'all